Good morning, my dear student. Today the new unit playing with the numbers. So cubes and cube roots and square and square roots are finished. Now you go for the playing with the numbers. So playing with the numbers means in these numbers something is playway method to find the answer. That means it's give some interest for the mathematics. This one is the topic of playing with the numbers. So seen in the exercise. In this unit, the important interesting unit is test for divisibility. So test for divisibility means something the number you will find easily the which number is divided by that whole number. So 4-digit number, 5-digit number, so such digit numbers easily you find the shortcut method. Use the shortcut method to find how what number will be divided by that number. So for example, in a unit place having a even number means easily you tell that number is always divisible by 2, the same only. So this method is just for divisibility means some other key points is given for you. So first one is divisibility by 2. So divisibility by 2 means in number 2 is divided by what are the numbers means in generally a number is divisible by 2 if it's one digit, that means unit place is an even digit, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those numbers are called even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So those numbers are in one digit place means always the number is divisible by 2. Next one is divisibility by 3. So divisibility of 3 means in generally a number is divisible by 3 when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 14,653 is there. You will find this number is divisible by 3 or not means first of all you will add all the number. First of all, this is not divisible by 2 because the unit place having no even number is there, it's odd number. So the next one is you add all the digits. 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 you get 19. But 19 is divisible by 3 means no, in 3 table 19 not came. So the next one more number is there, so you will add this, you get 18. 18 means it's divisible by 3. In 3 table 6 times 18 will came, so it is the full number is divisible by 3. So just you will add all the digits, you get one number. That number is divisible by 3 means the whole number is divisible by 3. This is the test of divisibility for 3. So 2 and 3 will be finished. Next you go for the divisible by 5. So test of divisibility, a number is divisible by 5 when its one digit is either 0 or 5. That means unit place having any 0 or 5 means that number is always divisible by 5. You understand this? The unit place having number 5 or 0 means those numbers are divisible by 5. This is test of divisibility 5. The next one, divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 and 3 is same only. In generally, a number is divisible by 9 when the sum of all its digits is divisible by 9. So sum of the digits you take, that answer will be divisible by 9 means the whole number divisible by 9. The same for 3. All digits will be added, you get one answer. That answer is divisible by 3 means the whole number divisible by 3. So divisibility of 3 and 9 is same only, concept is same, but divisible number is 3, divisible number is 9. That's it. The next one, last, divisibility by 10. So 10 means the unit place, a number is divisible by 10 only when its one digit is 0 only. So 5 means both either 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5, but a unit place having only 0 means it will be the divisible of 10. So this is test of divisibility concept. So divisible by 2 means unit place having your even number, that means whole number is divisible by 2. In 3, divisibility of 3 means sum of all the digits, you get one answer. That answer is divisible by 3 means the whole number divisible by 3. Divisibility of 5 means the unit place having either 0 or 5 means the number is divisible by 5. And 9 means sum of all the digits, you get one answer. That answer is divisible by 9 means the whole number divisible by 9. And a unit place having only 0 means that is divisible by 10. This is the 5 concept is for your class. So everyone read this concept first and write down the definition in your note. The red line definition only you write. Divisible by 10 means this red color line, and those red color lines I marked after I send that photocopy. So everyone copy down this every concept in your note first and then go for the exercise. In this exercise, very easy. First exercise, identify the numbers that are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9, 10. You will identify the first one you take 312. Its unit place is 2. That means it is divisible by 2. And next one, you will check this is divisible by 3 means 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 6 means yes, of course this is divisible by 3 also, but 5 means not to divisible by 5 because n number is not 0 or 5. And you check the 9 means 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6 only. 6 is not to divisible by 9, so it is not divisible by 9. And 10 means the n number is 0 but it is not 0. So only 312 is divisible by 2 and 3. So like this you will check every divisibility, 5 divisibility, and find which are the terms will be divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 5, divisible by 9, divisible by 10. One or more divisible also there. In first number divisible by 2 and as well as 3 also. Like this you will find all the answer and write down. The next one, second sum. Second sum afterwards I tell. So first sum only you take it as a homework. So everyone check whether all the divisibilities and find what are the number divisible by what number. So everyone copy down this and do the first sum in your class note. Thank you children for watching the video.